7 times 7 roaches on a vine, yucky and scary, all 49. Say it with me. 7 times 7 roaches on a vine, yucky and scary, all 49. The next one is a counting one. 7 times 8 you can remember like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 56 is 7 times 8. Say it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 56 is 7 times 8. And last but not least, the sixth one that you need a rhyme for. 8 times 8 fell on the floor. Pick it up, it's 64. Say it. 8 times 8 fell on the floor. Pick it up, it's 64. With those counting strategies and with 6 new rhymes, I hope that you will see that multiplication can be made easy. Peace.
In this video, we're going to take a look at how at MathTA, we've created the fastest, easiest, and most efficient way for students to learn their multiplication tables. So right off the bat, from 1 times 1 to 12 times 12, that's a total of 144 multiplication tables. That's a whole lot of things to remember. However, we've created a method where if you just know 6 rules, just 6 rules, you can go from 144 down to only 24 remaining. That's right, from just 6 rules, we go from 144 math facts down to 24. How is that possible? Well, let's take a look. So we begin with the easiest multiplication rule to remember, which is multiplying anything times the number 1. Anything times the number 1 is that number. 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3, etc. Well, you also know the reverse. You also know 1 times 2, 1 times 3, 1 times 4. So from that one simple rule, you actually know 23 math facts. The next rule is multiplying times 10. When it comes to the rule of multiplying times 10, 0 is the hero. You take the number you start with and you add a 0. 2 times 10 is a 2 with an added 0. 3 times 10 is 3 with an added 0, etc. You also know the reverse. You also know 10 times 2, 10 times 3, 10 times 4. So now, from those 2 simple rules, you now have learned 44 multiplication tables. And now you have 100 remaining. Here's the third easiest rule. Multiplying times 11. 11 times a single digit, that digit just duplicates itself. What does that mean? It means 2 times 11 is 22. 3 times 11 is 33. 4 times 11 is 44.